It is just yucky out today, but I love it. Rhyolite. It's cold. Come on. God, we made it. That was long. No, it wasn't. We made it. We just got to Tecopa, return visit. This time I'm staying in the RV, the grand RV. Has its own shower. Has a great view. Got a full kitchen, net, couch, bath and its own shower, and a bed. And I think this is a closet room that they store their shit in. Full fridge and freezer, so. I have my bed right here.
Where'd you want me to displace this?
Hunter's bed right there. Right now we're starting to cook dinner. It's making cocktail time. Some spicy homemade sugar for my cocktail. How's that not look tasty? Having linguine and seafood tonight. And our seafood's still frozen. On vacation, you look forward to splurging on eating and cooking. Gives you something to look forward to at the end of the day. I made these killer hot sticks. Hot stick. These are spicy but tasty. Last time we were here, we were in a cabin over that way. It didn't have a kitchen. It only had a curtain by the bathroom. Didn't even have a shower. And that was fine because we're swimming. But I wanted to spoil Hunter and treat him to his own little tiny cubby. DVD player, and that view. That view. Nice and golden brown. Look at that. I do not even want to know I look like I'm a mess. Add the parsley so it can rehydrate. Oh, that looks so tasty. We have some linguine, some seafood. Oh, I finished my cocktail. Gonna have some movies. Oh, and some nice Riesling. Oh, I would recommend getting the RV, Grand, whatever this is, number 20, over one of the little cabins. But I've stayed in the cabin because I wanted to stay here, and that was all that was available. If you have the opportunity, definitely, if cooking and watching some movie, I'm gonna add some clam juice. Little clams. More of that. And our refrigerator we have. Oh, we got this lemon juice. Lemon juice. And the calamari. And scallops we sauteed earlier. I turned off the heat. Oh, it's not even on the heat. Look at that. It's not even on the fire. Here's your dinner. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat. I'm so hungry. This looks so good. I'm gonna hang out, having a kitchen, like I said, having a kitchenette or an RV with a kitchen in it makes my camping road trip so much more pleasant. Tasty.
You just heard me tell this fella I'm the new sheriff of Red Rock, right? Yeah.
While eating dinner, nothing says pasta like a Quentin Tarantino movie. Playing Django. Unfortunately, I had the speakers for the RV on outside the park, and everyone was listening to the lovely extreme racial profanity blaring from the speakers outside. I didn't realize it till I went out to my truck. Oops, sorry.